To help you return more fruitful searches, we recommend you download a copy of our controlled vocabulary. Just click the Home button and then download the PDF. These are the exact words we used when we tagged our tracks. A mousepad is available as a handy desktop tool. Click on the Help link on the top right of your interface screen to help you find these tools. If you're experienced in searching, our system is capable of full compound Boolean searching. For those of you that may not know what that means, we will provide some examples of simple ways to search using our powerful and fast search engine. The main text input box at the top is where we'll start. Just type in terms from our controlled vocabulary for best results. Each space is considered AND. AND means that all the terms must be present to return results. That's one simple way to use Boolean searching. But OR and NOT modifiers can also be used in any combination. By putting a comma between terms, you are telling the engine that only one of these terms should return results. In other words, an OR search. There is a great power in using AND, OR, and NOT in different combinations. Here, I'm asking it to look for rock and any one of the secondary terms in the parentheses. Then, telling it not to include pop and not include vocal elements. You see that the minus key can be used instead of the word not. This may look complicated, but after using the system for just a few minutes, you'll see how easy it is. Let's take these tools and use them in a real example. We have a project with a few scenes in it. All we know now is there will be ocean footage and the producer wants music to inspire the viewer. First, we'll create a new playlist to store the tracks we'd like for the scene. The New Playlist button is the first icon on the bottom of your project's side panel. There are two ways to add tracks to your playlist. You can either drag it from the search results, or with the playlist highlighted, simply click on the plus button in the results window. To remove a track from the playlist, highlight the one you want to remove and use the backspace or delete key. We want to search for something inspiring, but there are multiple ways to say that: inspire, inspired, or inspiring. You could search for all three with commas to perform an OR search, or here's another shortcut that's useful. Use the star key as a wildcard to search for all things that start with inspire. That search brought back more than 500 tracks. Too many to preview them all. Let's try a few to find one that's getting close. Oh, I like that one. Let me open the metadata panel and look at the description tags to see what I liked about it. I think it's the triumphant element that's catching me. Notice as I mouse over the words in the description field, they're clickable. Clicking on them will search on the word or the phrase clicked. I like the triumphant feel I heard in the victory track, but I want to keep the inspiring element in my search. To do that, I'll lock the inspire search. Clicking the lock to the left of your text input window will search within those results, adding whatever new search terms you do next. Now, when I click triumphant, it will add that to my inspire search. In case I want to come back to it later, I will use the Safe Search Query function. Next time you open your project, you can double-click it and the saved search results will come right back. Let's preview some of these tracks. Notice I'm clicking the plus button to the ones I like to add them to the playlist, even though I can't see the playlist because the metadata pane is open. Now I have a few tracks that I can show to my producers saved in my playlist.